So you want to make sure your plane is going to fly level when you turn on safe. So you turn off safe and you look at your elevator here. If the plane is flying completely level right now, not in safe select, when you turn safe select on, the elevator should not move. If the plane is in a level flight right now and we turn safe on, the elevator shouldn't move. So I'm going to turn on safe. Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Plane. So I'm getting ready to fly my Night Timber X, and I want to make sure that Safe Select is working and available for me to use during this flight. And I want you to be able to make sure that your Safe Select is working and that you have it to use it if you need it, want it, or a backup or whatever. It takes like 10 seconds to double check that it's ready to go before you take off. Don't be like the others that crash and just didn't bother with it. Let me show you. It'll only take a few seconds. Okay, so you have your E-Flite bind and fly airplane with your Spectrum transmitter, and you want to make sure that your Safe Select is working and able to use in case you need it or want to fly with it on a regular basis like I do. I fly with it, I turn it off, I do a trick, and then I turn safe back on. But we need to know that Safe Select is working. Transmitter goes on first, always goes on first. And then your throttle cut. So I'm moving my screen to the monitor, and I'm moving my throttle to make sure that the throttle cut is on. This plane, the battery's in the bottom, so I'm going to plug it up real quick and then flip it over on its wheels and let the plane energize. We're looking for the double dances of the control surfaces. Plugging it up on its wheels, we're looking for the double dances. Ready? Two dances. It went that means you have Safe Select available to use on this plane. Now, it's up to your transmitter and your switches if you have it turned on or off. But right now it shows that this plane is configured to have safe. I'm going to put my battery door on, and then we're going to go through the control surfaces real quick so that you will know that you have it and it is available. So to make sure that your safe is working, you want to give it a little bit of throttle to activate the AS3X. AS3X is for the stabilization. The safe is for the level flight. So with Safe Select off, I can move my plane and I can see the control surfaces are moving. That's the AS3X for the wind. I turn upside down. There's no movement trying to flip the plane back over. I turn Safe Select on. We do the same thing. We're checking our control surfaces. When I lift this wing up, the alien goes up also to counteract a gust of wind. So that means the gyro is moving the correct way. Flip the plane over and look at the aliens. They're trying to right side the plane back up. So now you know you have Safe Select and the gyro is moving the control surfaces the correct direction. Watch this wing here, watch this gyro. As I lift this wing up, so does the control surface. Everything should always go the way you move it. When I lift the tail up, the elevator will go up too. Rudder as well, and the roll. Roll, pitch, and the yaw. Now, you want to make sure your plane is going to fly level when you turn safe on. So you want to make sure your plane is going to fly level when you turn on safe. So you turn off safe and you look at your elevator here. If the plane is flying completely level right now, not in Safe Select, when you turn Safe Select on, the elevator should not move. If the plane is in a level flight right now and we turn safe on, the elevator shouldn't move. So I'm going to turn on safe. And the elevator's not moving. If this plane was in a big nosedive and I turned on safe, the elevator moved. With a nosedive, you're trying to give it elevator up to pull the nose back up to level. So it's in a dive, I turn on safe.
0 amps 86.
And that goes with the ailerons also. When you turn on safe select, you don't want the aliens to move either. So when I turn on safe, the aliens shouldn't move. I just turned on safe. Safe off, safe on. So in safe select, the control surfaces didn't move. So therefore, it will fly level.